Alright, so doing Michigan lottery. Right there. Money bag, $2 ticket. We're gonna scratch it off and see what we win. Alright, Logan, go ahead. This is my professional scratcher. We get 2 apiece. Oh man, look at all that stuff. How about over here, bud? Alright, let's see. Let's see. Did we get anything?
We got one. We got.
Oh, look at that. $4. We got a $4 one. Let's see. Did we get anything else? I can't see with the glare. 23. Did we get a 23? Oh, we got a 23. We got a. Did we get a 20? 20.
Yeah.
Look at that. Did we get a 3? No.
No.
So the first ticket Logan scratched, he got what? $6. Okay, let's try it again. Give me another one. Scratch up another one. Man, we got quicker nails being on camera. We got a winner here. Money bags. Scratch it like you mean it, man. Alright, what are our winning numbers? What the heck you doing? Scratching the table? Alright, let's see. Did we win anything on this one? So we got 7. Did we get a 7? Nope. 2. Nope. And a 10. That would be no.
No. That's
Okay.
not a winner.
That's not a winner. Alright, Brandon, you're up. Come on, money bags is waiting for you. Let's go. Scratch it like you mean it. Let me get my camera. Yeah, we gotta do it.
Yep.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait, no. This is a bigger winner ticket. So we got 20 times 2, that's 8.
Yeah.
And you got 23 times 1, so you got $10.
Okay.
Well, we had a correction on this ticket. He had a 20. That was a $4. Times 2, that's 8. And then he had 23, which is $2, so that's a $10 ticket right there. What do we get on this one? 13. You're looking at it as I'm seeing it here. So 13, nothing. 15, nothing. 10, nothing. Okay, so there you go. Scratch it again. Make sure. Man, you guys need to scratch faster.
Can't help it. I'm like the fastest scratch.
Alright, just hold on.
Here, take the cord.
Just hold on. Alright. Brandon, sit up. Get up. So Nathan can sit down. So what we got here? 17. Did we get a 17? Nope. 16? Nope. 23. Lucky number 23. Nope. That's a dud. Alright. Super Scratcher. Alright, let's see what we got. So, 10, did we get a 10? Nope. 25? No. 15? That would be a no. Scratch away.
That ticket thing.
Scratching the table, man. Scratch the ticket, not the table. Well, you gotta win something.
I will.
What do we get? 27. Did we get a 27? That would be no. 14? No. 29? No. Another dud. That is it for the money bags. Sunday night.